You got it.
I
And
like that.
good. Nice.
Nice work, Ben.
Yep.
You're good.
Good morning and happy Friday. As you can see, it's raining today, but I just got on location at Barn Door Blooms. Jenny is getting all set up and I am going to offload all the gear for today's brand shoot. It's going to be great. Hi there. So I thought I'd bring you along on the first kind of setup. We're just representing all the amazing materials that she uses with her wedding clients. And so I'm in the barn. Jenny is in the garage prepping for our next setup, but I thought I'd take you along here. These bowls I really want to stack up, but I'm going to use this little piece of paper, and because it's sliding with the amazing kind of surface inside, but I want to angle a little bit. So I'm just going to put this little piece of paper inside here and hoping that it kind of allows me to keep it at an angle like that for the photo. I mean, how amazing is that? Okay, so I just took a couple shots, looks amazing. And as you can see, I have this natural light coming into one side, the other side, there's no window. So I do have light with me. I have my flash point system to throw some light, but I'm sort of liking the ambiance that this light is giving. So I do have a reflector. I'm gonna use my silver side and I'm just going to tuck it in. You can already see, let me back this up. Whee! Okay, so with the reflector, so this is kind of as is. Once I pop that reflector in though, you can already see that light being pushed back onto that shadow side. So I'm gonna grab some shots with this setup, see if I need the bigger light, and let's see what we get. All right, so Jenny and I are now setting up for shot number 2, 3, I don't know now. Look at these flowers. Oh my gosh, we're so excited. We can't wait. This is gonna be a good one. So these are going to be in front.
I love that.
So I'm going to pull it this way. I'm going to use that tablecloth. And then I'm also, while you're doing your thing, I thought with the tablecloth, I'm going to do the ribbons.
I'm going to start my bouquet.